You don't need to learn how to lucid dream. You need to remember. A lucid dream is a dream in which you're actively aware of the fact you're dreaming as the dream is happening. So you're in a dream, sound asleep, but you go, no way, this is all a dream. That's a lucid dream. In Christopher Nolan's film Inception, the central concept is going into another person's mind and planting or incepting an idea that will have an effect on their decision-making in the waking state. Lucid dreaming absolutely allows you to practice self-inception. In a lucid dream, you are conscious within the unconscious mind, a place where you can then plant or incept an idea that will have radical changes in your waking state consciousness. For example, you can go into a lucid dream and incept the idea that you are free of the addiction of cigarettes that may help to greatly reduce cravings in the waking state. In a lucid dream, you can incept the idea of trauma integration by allowing yourself to face the fear or to replay the traumatic experience within the virtual reality simulation of the lucid dream, leading to deep waking state healing. Just as you can use the lucid dream to incept an idea, you can also use the lucid dream to ask a question. You can become lucid and call out to the dream, what career path should I take? And based on the huge database of knowledge that resides in the unconscious mind, an answer will often be given. You know that scene in Inception, where the architect goes into the lucid dream and starts making buildings manifest and bridges appear and roads turn up into the sky? That is in fact totally possible. You can do just the same thing in your lucid dream. In fact, that practice goes all the way back to the ancient Tibetan teachings of dream yoga. It's called multiplication stage, in which you are advised to change and manipulate the dreamscape as a way to train the mind to change its waking state experience too. The cool thing about lucid dreaming is that you can teach yourself how to do it. You simply learn a set of practices in the daytime that have a profound effect on your mind in the nighttime, allowing you to gain access to the most powerful virtual reality simulator in existence.